Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to move someone's story in Snapchat. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following into this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your Snapchat account. So I'm going to click on here. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on the profile icon. And the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and head over to my friends. So simply click on my friends right here. Okay. And the next thing you need to do is to simply select the contact. I'm going to simply click on this particular contact right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on their name. Then take you right here. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on this three dots from the top right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to story settings. And at this point here, what you need to do is to simply turn this particular button on. Mute this particular contact. So you can see right here, this particular contact will appear higher in the feed when they add to their story, or appear up next when you are watching story. As simple as that. What you need to do is simply click on mute. As simple as that. So basically, this is how to mute someone's story in Snapchat. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.